I just woke up. I am kidless all weekend and it feels really weird. I know I'm gonna miss the crap out of her. My husband and I both work all weekend, so he took her to family's house today, so she's gonna be staying with her grandparents for the weekend, and it hurts. Like, as much as I, could use the break, I gotta get the house picked up and do stuff, obviously I wish she was still here with me and wish I could not be working, but gotta make money somehow. But I did do a Walmart pickup order. I had it delivered for right when I knew I was gonna wake up, so I'm gonna go get that out of my front porch and get the day started. Got my order. When the hair goes up, you know it's real. That's how you know you're starting your day. It's either that or a cup of coffee, but I'm not going to drink coffee today because I'd like to do a workout, so I'll probably be having a cup of pre-workout here shortly. So I did end up getting some stuff to do some juicing. I've made some immune wellness shots before, and someone liked them so much that they're wanting to pay me to make them. So I got some stuff to make the shots. I'll probably make enough for me and them. I want a couple for myself, but make some for them as well. These were the star of the show. I got the Alani Nu Munchies protein shake, and I don't know why, but the liquid version, these bottles are gluten-free, but the powder form of this is not. I don't get why, but the cookies and cream is also gluten-free, I saw, so I picked that up so I could try this flavor today. Alright, so here's the stuff to do the juicing, and then a few things of produce again for my dinner tonight for work. And then again, these are the cookies and cream. Excited to try this flavor. Alright, before I do anything else, I know I look crazy, my skin looks crazy. I already washed my face before I turned on the camera because my face can look a little crazy in the mornings with having eczema. If you guys have eczema, you just, you know. So I did a quick wash and lotion up before I turned it on because my skin looks crazy dry and flaky and weird in the morning. So next I'm going to brush my teeth and get ready to go downstairs. I work out from home. I use Beachbody. In the past I was a Beachbody coach and did that from home. Made quite a bit of money with that. But I don't do that anymore. It was just too much and it took the joy away from working out and doing things. So I just do it for my own thing now. Alright, so getting some different clothes on. My hair's getting pretty long, but the postpartum hair loss, y'all, is no joke. What makes that happen? I have this hair growth oil and spray that I've been trying to see if it helps, because what is that? I'm just gonna put on some chapstick. I've been making my own chapsticks lately with just shea butter, mango butter, oils coconut oil, vitamin E, all different types of stuff. And I love it. I've even given a few to some of my coworkers, and they're like, girl, this is good, and you don't have to keep applying, it stays on, which I like. So I just way more thicker, heavy duty chapstick, and it's not you constantly have to apply it all the time, and it's really nice. My husband even took it to his coworkers, and they've been critiquing my recipe and telling me that's been really, really good, and that maybe I should do this next time and this and that, and they just love my chapsticks. So this one I made just a tad bit too oily, so I just have to find a better combination, but it still feels so good. Alright, but leggings with pockets, game changer.
I'll wrap you up in me. Give you all good energy. Yeah, there's jewels around your head.
What's up, friends? I'm currently in my basement. I'm about to do my workout, but normally my routine, I don't come down here and just work out right away. Honestly, I'll like scroll through my phone, I'll jam some music, sip on my pre-workout, share to my stories. Sometimes what I like to do is to get some motivation is just really look at some old pictures of me, whether it's before I had a baby or when I was newly postpartum and kind of like at my worst. It just kind of gives me a little motivation to be like, yeah, we need to work out, you know? So compared some old photos to how I look today, and it definitely looks like a big difference. So just a little motivating to do a workout today. So that
it's too focused on that. Welcome to the farmhouse. Welcome to the farmhouse. Welcome to the farmhouse. Images distorted. I know people that just want clout. Anything recorded for the movie.
Are you over here sleeping good, Mr. Kylo? He doesn't want to be bothered. That's all he does. All day long, sleep. Okay, that was intense. I'm still very sweaty. I'm not going to shower yet. I just washed my hands, and now I'm going to go ahead and prep out my immune shots and then get my lunch together, kind of get some stuff done. I can't do anything with my table because the company won't let me return it, but it is massive. So I just have to like move it out of the way when I need something. We have a storage bench behind our kitchen table. So I'm going to grab the juicer. And I need to not forget to eat. I'm going to drink a protein shake while I get some stuff done.
Your clothing, golden threads, it's all meant for you. Now listen to my words, look right at me. Tell me where it hurts. Tell me what you need. Tell me, baby, tell me what is bothering you.
Alright, produce is already cut up, rinsed, and prepped. We are going to go ahead and start juicing.
Tell me, baby, tell me what's bothering
you. Making good timing so far. It's 2:48. Alright, juicing is done. I already forgot to drink my shake. I knew I would. So let's go ahead and do a taste test. I feel like this tastes very similar to the Munchies. It's almost like a lighter flavor. I like both of them though. They're still pretty good. Alright, wellness shots are complete. Currently 3:03. Let's make muffins and shower and get ready for work because I gotta be leaving the house by 4:30. Alright, 3:20 and the muffin mix is already done. I just gotta put it in the oven. Okay, so I need to assemble my lunch for tonight for work, and that involves bacon. So I'm going to attempt to place a couple pieces of bacon on the stove while I do the dishes and clean up the house. And then I have to shower and leave. Okay, but only those of you that watch TikTok and have seen this person, you know what you know. But I feel like Joey Flew right now. I feel like very chaotic, getting a lot of stuff done, cleaning. I'm everywhere. But I've got bacon on the stove. It is cooking. I gotta hurry up and do these dishes so I can get out of the kitchen and go get ready.
There's jewels around your head. Your clothing, golden thread. Tell me, baby, baby, tell me what is bothering me. Tell me, baby, baby, tell me what is bothering me. I'm here for you, baby, tell me what you want me to do.
Alright, the wraps are made. They're pretty loaded. We'll see if I'll eat both of them or not. If I do, I probably won't have much else, but they are loaded and they look delicious. There is turkey, bacon, spinach, plant-based ranch, onion, bell pepper, and cucumber and tomato. Pretty freaking close. It's 4:04. My lunch and everything is packed. The muffins are done, bacon's done, everything is good. We're gonna go shower and get ready.